Hi everyone, welcome back to La Bella Pasta channel. Today's video, lentil salad with prosciutto di Parma and fresh mozzarella. Bring a pot of water up to a boil. Add some salt. And cook the lentils. We're gonna cook the lentils until they're tender, but they still hold their shape. And that should be about 20 to 25 minutes. Remove the lentils from the heat and drain well. And let it cool to room temperature. So in a large bowl, we're gonna mix the onions, some red wine vinegar, olive oil, black pepper, I'm gonna give this a whisk. Here's our vinaigrette for the salad. Next, we're gonna add the cooked lentils to the dressing bowl. And we're gonna toss well to combine with the vinaigrette. I love lentils because they are very nutritious, they're low in calorie, they are gluten-free, very good source of carbohydrates. It's good for you. Now we're gonna plate the salad. You put it in a platter. And to finish our salad, we're gonna add some prosciutto di Parma that you just throw on top of it. Add a little bit more protein to the salad, as much as you want. And I have here some fresh mozzarella that we're gonna tear as well. Very rustic. And finish with some more basil leaves on top. This is it. This salad is a complete meal. You get the carbohydrates from the lentils plus their own protein content, more protein from the prosciutto di Parma and the mozzarella, and the refreshness from the basil. What else can you have for a very refreshing lunch? I hope you make it, and if you make it, leave a comment on our channel. Let me know what you think about the salad. See you next time. Bye! A little bit of everything and one fork. Can I make it? Gente, isso aqui tá bom demais!